Long division is introduced in P3. To help students do long division, we have come up with 4 steps to help them remember how to do long division. In long division, so for example, we have 78 divided by 2. So we have 78 within the 2 lines, and we have 2 on the outside, on the left side. So to do long division, first we start off with the first step, which is to divide to go up. And we always tell them that we always start with the first number within the lines, which is 7. So to divide to go up, we will first have 7, and we will always divide by the number on the left side. So the number on the outside is 2. So we take 7, divide by 2. The biggest number will be 3, and this will be brought up because we divide to go up. Then we do the second step, which is multiply to come down. So when we have 3 at the top, this is the last number that we wrote, we have to multiply by the number on the left again. So we always touch this number on the left to go up and come down. So we take 3 times 2 to go down, and then we have 6. So after the second step, we will do the third step, which is to subtract. And the last number that we have is 6. So we subtract using 7 and 6. So that will give us 1. And then we go to step number 4, which is bring down the next number. The next number would be the number within the lines. So the next number is 8. So we bring it down. And what we have now is 18. Okay, so that is the end of 4 steps. So every time we reach the end of 4 steps, we will have to repeat them. So we go back to step number 1, divide to go up. So right now, since I'm at the bottom, right, we stop at the bottom. We have to divide to go up. And whenever we divide to go up, take note that the number that we are using is not 8, but 18. Okay, so when you're at the bottom, you have to use the numbers, all the numbers there, which will be 18. So we divide and we touch the number on the left again to go up. So 18 divided by 2, that will give us 9. And then we repeat step number 2. So since we're at the top, what we want to do is to go down. So it's 9 multiply by the number at the side to go down. That will give us 18. And we move on to step number 3, which is to subtract. So 18 minus 18 will give us 0. Okay, at this point, because they're new, students are new to long division, we always ask them to check, okay, continue the step, bring down the next number. So when they realize that there is no more numbers to bring down, then the long division is complete. So then there is the answer, 39. Now we look at 3-digit number. So we have 399 divided by 3. So we repeat again the first step, divide to go up. So we look at the numbers within the lines and we take the first number. So this is a 3 in this question. We take 3, divide by the number at the side to get us 1 to go up. Then the second step is multiply to come down. So since we're at the top, we have to come down. And when we multiply, we have to touch the number at the side again to come down. So 1 times 3 is 3. Then we continue to step number 3, which is to subtract. So we have over here 3 minus 3. So that will give us 0. And step number 4, bring down next number, 9. So since we're at the bottom now, if we want to go up, and to go up, we have to divide. So I have 9. I divide by 3 to get 3. Then since I'm at the top now, I want to come down. So I will have to multiply to come down now. So 3 times 3, you get 9. And then the next step is to subtract. So 9 minus 9 get 0. So some students may think that this is the end of the long division since you end with 0. But you always check using the next step. Bring down the next number. If there is a next number behind to bring down, we continue the long division and bring the number down. So what we have here is 9. Divide by 3, you get 3. And you multiply, since we're at the top, you multiply to come back down again. So 3 times 3 to get 9. And with this, we subtract to get 0. And to check if it's really the end of the long division, we continue with step 4, bring down the next number. So since we have no more numbers to bring down, this is the end of the long division. So the answer is 133.